Since COVID, our lives changed forever, and most changes weren't good. Somewhere along the way, we all lost our potential. If you're honest with yourself right now, you feel this too. Every new year you say, next year will be my year. But 2024 wasn't your year, 2025 wasn't either. And 2026 won't be unless you force it to be. Give me 4 minutes, and I'll show you how to actually lock in. Disclaimer, I'm not here to motivate you. Motivation is a sugar rush. It crashes in 5 minutes. This is about something deeper. You say, I don't have time. That's the biggest lie you tell yourself. Check your screen time right now. Yesterday, you probably scrolled Reels for 3 hours because it feels good. Then at night you think, I have no time. Let's do the math. The 24-hour equation. 8 hours sleep, 8 hours work, or school 2 hours for meals and basics that leaves 6 hours every single day. Where are those 6 hours going? If you can't answer that clearly, you just found your problem. You do have time, you just don't protect it. We live in an era where you can learn anything for free. Want to start a business? Templates and AI are ready. Want to get fit? Apps and YouTube channels everywhere. The barrier isn't information, the barrier is you. Goals without systems are just wishes. Systems mean meal prep every Sunday, study schedules you follow, even when tired workouts you show up to when motivation is zero. Repeating tasks even when you don't feel like it. That's the difference between achievers and people who just talk about achieving. Most people think success is exciting. Reality? Success is boring. It's working when nobody's watching, when nobody's praising you, when there's no immediate reward. The job of locking in isn't to entertain you, it's to build you. The faster you accept that every step won't be fun, the faster you'll see results. Here's the thing. Scrolling success content isn't action. Watching this video is information. Starting work after this video, that's transformation. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. Are you actually trying or just showing that you're trying? If you're not where you want to be honest. Was the world against you, or were you never truly locked in? I wanted to make YouTube videos for years. I didn't start because I was waiting for the perfect time. When I realized that perfect time doesn't exist, I just started. Imperfectly. Scared. If I can do it, you can too. We're not that different. This ending isn't fixed. You decide it. But I can promise this. If you lock in right now, in this moment, 2026 can be the year you finally say, this year was mine. Final question. Are you locked in for 2026, or will we have this same conversation next year? Comment, lock in 2026 below. Let's do this together.